You said I was the most exotic flower, holding me tight in our final love. I don't know how you convince that you get there, but I don't know what you do. It's unbelievable. One for the money, two for the show. I love you, honey. I'm ready to go. How did you get that way? I don't know. You're screwed up, you're brilliant, look like $1 million man. So why is my heart broke?